Hi everyone, my name is Novita Kumalasari. I am a mathematics teacher of SMAS Plus Al-Basariyah, Kota Baru Regency, Kalimantan Selatan Province, Indonesia. Today, I'm going to share with you about my experience attending 3 days international workshop with title Creating Global Teachers with Best Online Teaching Approaches and Strategies that held by Nitte Meenakshi Institute of Technology and Tie-Ups International in cooperation with Universitas Lambung Mangkurat and Dinas Pendidikan dan Kebudayaan Provinsi Kalimantan Selatan. I learned a lot of new knowledge from this workshop. I learned about communication, include what is communication, the process of communication, types, models, error, and tips. How to create an effective communication include strategies, techniques, and also body language. Communication skills for tutorial, seminar, mentoring, and supervision. I also learned about how to choose an effective reinforcement and feedback, how to create an effective teaching, and how to make our virtual classroom interactive. I got many tips and tricks that I can practice to improve my teaching skills and communication skills, especially body language, because our body tells the truth more than our words. During this pandemic era, I use Google Classroom, WhatsApp, Telegram, some videos on YouTube, and also quizzes to run my virtual class. For next my virtual class, I will try to use virtual whiteboard and also more games like word wall, Kahoot, Tingling, and etc. so that my class will be more fun and more interactive. I hope that Tie-Ups will have another workshop so all of you can join with us to learn together and enhance collaborative educative links between Indonesia and India. That's all of my experience that I can share with you today. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!